So what we're going to be looking at today is reversing into a parking space in a busy area. So I'm going to drive to a busier area and reversing in between cars, because it's one of the things that you would have done a little bit of when you were learning how to drive. And I suppose that the only way to find out how good you are is to keep practicing and improving on it, and not being afraid to take your time. Now I'll just pull over a second just to kind of talk about what we're going to do here. So normally when you're practicing reversing into a bay, you'll be possibly getting yourself parallel to the end of the bays, and maybe doing the three lines down, or two cars and turn into the empty space. That's fine, not wrong with that. But in a busy car park, you're not going to have the time possibly to do that. It is not too bad, but it is a little bit busy. So what we're going to do is, as we drive up to the space we want, we're going to pick a spot. I'll tell you which one it's going to be, and we're going to do the 45-degree angle method, which is we're going to check what's going ahead of us, check what's happening behind the side of us, and swing the car out to the right hand side of the lane to pop it into, to actually reverse it in. So that's what we're going to do, and you'll find that the benefit of doing that is, if it's a busy car park, it's Christmas, and that's a space on the left and there's cars behind you, so you're checking what's going on. As you're about to go out to the right, you look across. As you're coming out, you might even put your indicator on, telling the car behind you that you're having that, and then pop it in reverse and look behind you. So you're actually blocking that space with the back of your car that you're going to reverse into, because if you drive past the car doing the parallel, two cars past it, the car behind you is going to drive into that space and nick it, and just walk off and just ignore you, kind of thing, as though you're not there, even though it's your space. So let's have a try at doing it. So we'll use to start with this space here. So I'm checking what's going on, and as I go past it, I'm thinking about that space on the left. So there's the space, it's now behind me. I'm swinging the car out at this point, so that I end up with the back of my left corner of the car kind of level with the corner of his vehicle, the blue one behind us, the Vauxhall. Have a little look round. There's a car there waiting patiently for us because they can't do anything, and I'm going to swing it round to the left full lock to bring it in, and I'm looking round, taking my time, give a little wave to him saying thank you, use a little bit of gas, a little bit of clutch, and bringing it in, and then just straightening myself up, looking behind, a little wave saying thank you to him again, and bringing it in. No rush. So that's how you want to try and do it, and being courteous to the ones who give way to you at the same time, because you know that person could have squeezed past me a little bit if they wanted to when I was halfway out, but I think giving the wave kind of takes the pain out of them having to wait for you. So getting out of a space like this, it's a little bit tricky, you can't see. We're going to go forward to the left, it's one way, and I'm just checking through the windows, nothing's there. I'm just going to use a little bit of clutch, no gas, but covering the brake, and just look. It's clear. I'm going to the right to turn left, I want to go wide, and swinging it round, checking that left mirror so I don't clip the car on the left. If I'm going to do a reverse again, so I'll go around again, find another one. In fact, there's one on the left here, so I'm just going to slow down, let these people pass me, check what's the car, definitely a car behind me. So as I pull out, I'm going to stick a left signal on. He knows what I'm doing then. Pop it in reverse. He's not going to go past me. I'm going to put the lock on, because my that left's covering that black car on the left. Give a little wave again, cancel my signal at this point, and just bring it in, checking my shoulders, checking my mirrors, checking me what's going on, and I'm doing a little adjustment of the steering to get it in. Give a little wave again, saying thank you, and then stopping. So it wasn't a rush to get in, and that's what you've got to remember. It's not a rush to get into these places, it's just taking it easy and making it easier. Okay, good luck, and I'm hoping this helps you. If it does, give it a thumbs up and watch out for my next video next week.